Welcome to O Technologies. This is otlearn.com. In this video, you will learn how to install WordPress automatically without stress. So let's assume that you have logged into your website, and your website URL must be www.yourdomainname.com/cpanel. Okay, this is the cpanel login page which you need to give, to enter your username and password. In case you don't have a domain name, you want to register one, you can just visit obeywithhost.com, and here is obeywithhost. You can just find your own domain name by entering your choice of domain name. So you search for the domain name. If it is available, then you buy, and after then your credentials, your control panel will be ready in few hours, and they will be sent to your mail. So there you cannot come, it will not bring you to this place, so you cannot log in, because they will send you your credentials, your login details. So let's assume that we are all here now. I will enter this my username and my password. So I'll click on login to take me to the main control panel. Yes, we are here, and here is the main control panel. Okay, I have now logged in. So I will go straight and locate WordPress, because we want to install WordPress. I'll simply come here below. You can see below I have the app installers, then I'll click on WordPress. And I'll wait for it to load. If I proceed, then at the top here you click on install, then I'll click on install. So you have to fill some details here in the software setup. Yes, I'll say if you want it without www, you can leave it like this to be your domainname.com. Okay, but I want to apply the www. I'll just choose http www.obeywith.com. So in the third step here, it said to install. If you want to install this in your main domain name, not a subdirectory, you just remove this so that it will be installed on your main domain name. Like this one will be installed on obeywith.com. So I'll have to remove that, and here is the database name it's gonna use. You will leave that, and here also you will leave that, but here I'll change it to obeywith. And here I'll simply say otlearn. Then after filling that, and here is your login credentials. Okay, I'll change this to obeywith. You can also leave it like that. Okay, and this password I wouldn't like it, so I want to generate. You click here to generate a random password, and I'll click on this key icon. It will generate. Okay, so you can see now the password, your username. So here, as I said, the key is to generate random password. You leave the English language, you leave the language to English. So, and you scroll below. So in this place now will be the place they will send all your details to. The details you entered will be sent to your email. So you have to enter your email. So I have entered the email, and I will click on install, so that it will install. You click here to go to the top and see how it goes. Yes, congratulations, you have successfully installed WordPress on your site. Okay, you can see a congratulations message. The software was installed successfully. WordPress has been successfully installed at www.obewe.com, and here is the administrator page. Okay, URL, you can see administrative URL obewe.com/wp-admin. Here you can access your admin area, and here is the main site. Okay, it has been installed, so let's preview and see. Let's see. You can see what I typed. I said Obewe OTLearn. It has been installed. This is otlearn.com by O Technologies. You try this and see. See you in the next video.